Hi everyone, it's Marky. I just wanted to tell you about my favorite features on this Iron Forge extension cord. So I actually have two, and one of them is the prongs, the reinforced prongs like I talked about. These are so sturdy and they do not get bent at all. And then the outlet itself is also reinforced, so whatever you're plugging into it isn't going to get bent if it somehow gets ripped out either way or in any way. No matter what I plug into this, even if the prongs on the other thing that I'm plugging in are flimsy, this protects it, which I absolutely love because I have prongs getting bent and then I have to try and straighten them out and they're never the same. This keeps it really protected, and this you don't even have to worry about because it's always going to be sturdy and it's always going to be strong. And then the other thing that is my favorite is that it is coated in vinyl and it's so flexible. So a bunch of extension cords I've had have been so stiff and they get kinks in them, and then they don't move around easily. They're heavy and they're not bendable. They're not easy to move. I have to get up and walk and actually trace it through wherever I want it to be. This doesn't have that problem. So if you're looking for something like this that's gonna be really easy to use, really flexible, and really sturdy, I think this would be great. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.